My nephew Jay and I are preparing all desserts today because this is not your mama's Thanksgiving. What would Thanksgiving be without our pumpkin chiffon pie? Yummy looking, isn't it? So listen to what we're making now.
Tell me.
We're making Charlie's pumpkin chiffon pie. Charlie is your cousin.
Right, Trina's youngest daughter.
Trina's youngest daughter. This is Charlie's recipe, and it's super simple. Now, I'm gonna add 1 cup, y'all, of pumpkin puree. Now, don't confuse that with pumpkin pie filling. Now, we're gonna add this to the bag of jumbo marshmallows that Jay has been melting. I'm gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna melt these marshmallows with that pumpkin puree. And we're gonna have to let that cool because we're actually gonna take half of this frozen whipped topping and fold into there. And then we're gonna top the pie with the other half of this. Okay, Jay Bird, that is
done,
great.
Right? Good.
You just put that to the side and we're gonna let it cool because otherwise the frozen topping would just collapse if we added it to the hot. So we'll let that cool. So now Jay is just folding in half of our frozen whipped topping to our mixture. That looks great, Jay. Just fold, fold, fold. Perfect. And it's real light because of the whipped topping really cut the color. Okay, Jay Bird, why don't you add that to our pre-made pie crust? Way to go, Charlie girl. Oh, yum. I'm gonna finish getting all of this out and I'm gonna borrow your spatula to just even that out. Then I'm gonna top it with a sprinkle of cinnamon. And here we go, just for you, darling.
Plate.
Yum. Wait, wait, wait. Don't go anywhere now. A little more cinnamon couldn't hurt. All right, now you can go.
I'll wait on you.
Charlie, I'm impressed. You know, Charlie's not but like 19 or 20. She's a young girl. But all the women in our family are all good cooks. Her mother, our Aunt Trina, is a fabulous cook. So tell me what you think. Delicious.
Wonderful. Mine's almost gone.
Dadgum, Jay. You inhale that, boy. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.